IMDG Code Consignor/Freight Forwarder Basic. Preparing professionals to safely classify, document, and transport dangerous goods by sea, in full compliance with international maritime regulations. Course Overview. Comprehensive Program. This expert-led e-learning course provides comprehensive training on the IMDG Code, covering the classification, packing, and documentation required for the safe and compliant maritime transport of hazardous goods. Target Audience. This training is specifically designed for consignors and freight forwarders to ensure they understand their core responsibilities and essential safety practices in global shipping. Accreditations. Conducted in accordance with the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code, IMDG Code. Course Modules. IMDG Code Fundamentals. Hazards, Dangers, and Regulatory Framework for Maritime DG Transport. Classification and PSN. Identifying proper shipping names and assigning UN numbers. Packing, Marking and Labeling. Placarding CTUs and meeting packaging standards. Transport documentation. In-depth preparation of dangerous goods declarations and shipping documents. Offer, accept and handle. End-to-end training on tendering and receiving DG shipments. Packing groups and marine pollutants. UN numbers, packing group assignment, and marine pollutant categories. Ship loading and unloading. Procedures for handling DG at the vessel interface. Stowage plans. Preparing compliant DG loading and stowage plans for sea transport. Learning Outcomes. Navigate the IMDG Code. Interpret parts, sections, and appendices with confidence. Packaging compliance. Apply class-specific packaging requirements correctly. Accurate documentation. Complete all required shipping papers for DG consignments. Safe handling practices. Best practices for loading, unloading, and transit operations. Emergency response and first aid. Actions to take during incidents, spills, and onboard emergencies. Code amendments. Stay current with the latest IMDG code updates and changes. Advanced topics and regulations. CTU marking and stowage. Placarding requirements, in-depth stowage rules, and segregation within a CTU. Limited and accepted quantities. Shipment requirements, exemptions, and applicable quantity thresholds. IATA DGR Overview. Background, development, and core principles of air transport dangerous goods regulations. Fire and emergency response. Basic fire safety principles and emergency procedures for DG incidents. Course Curriculum. Gain comprehensive knowledge of the IMDG code structure, including how to navigate and interpret the various parts, sections, and appendices. Learn how to classify different types of dangerous goods correctly according to their hazard class and division. Acquire detailed understanding of the packaging requirements for different classes of dangerous goods. Learn about the marking and labeling requirements to ensure compliance and safety during transportation. Master the preparation and completion of required shipping documentation for consigning dangerous goods. Learn best practices for the safe handling of dangerous goods during loading, unloading, and transportation. Understand the emergency response procedures and actions to take in the event of an incident or spill. Stay updated with the latest amendments and changes to the IMDG code. Understand the importance of ongoing compliance with international regulations and how to implement updates in day-to-day operations.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.